Okay, so the first thing you need to do is get some hot soapy water. Use proper car shampoo if you can. Next thing you're going to do is dip your mitt into your hot soapy water. Make sure it is hot. What we're going to do is clear off all the crap off of your lens. So give that a really, really good deep scrub and see if you can make sure that you get all of it off. You need no contamination at all. Make sure you get in there, every nook, cranny, groove, etc. Next thing you're going to do is rinse off your shampoo. Just use clean water, doesn't matter if it's hot or cold, but make sure it is clean. The aim is to not recontaminate it. Next, you're going to get your drying towel and make sure you properly dry it. Now, make sure this is properly dry, because if it's still wet, then obviously your part isn't going to stick. So again, make sure you get in there every single nook and cranny. Next, you're going to take the wet wipe that we supply and make sure that you clean the full surface once again. Now, don't do this before you've washed it. Make sure you wash it first. Then we're going to take some tissue paper or a drying towel. I always prefer to use blue roll because it works best, and make sure it is fully dry and all the alcohol residue is removed. What you don't want is alcohol sat on the surface of your lens, otherwise the guard won't stick. So make sure you get all of that off. Next, we're going to peel the protective backing off of the sticky tape to reveal the surface. And as you can see, I'd already done a little bit, but there you go, that's the rest of it off. And finally, the best part, line it up. Make sure it is where you want it to go before pushing it on, because once it sticks, it sticks. Once you're confident that you've got it where you want, push it every single way around. Just be careful to try not to snap it. And once it's on, hold it for about 30 seconds. And what should happen is it should create a nice firm bond. And now, finally, remove the plastic protective film off of the face. And now you can marvel at what you have done with about 30 seconds of your day. Have fun!